Welcome to Concept Scroll. Today we are studying Class 10 Mathematics, Chapter Probability. This is part 1 of 8, where we will learn about Introduction. Let's get started. Probability is a branch of mathematics that deals with the study of uncertainty and chance. In our daily lives, we often use words like probably, likely, certain, impossible, etc. to describe the likelihood of events. Probability helps us to quantify these chances in a mathematical way. The concept of probability originated from the study of games of chance, such as tossing coins, rolling dice, or drawing cards. The Insert Class 10 Mathematics textbook introduces probability as a continuation of what students have learned in Class 9, focusing on experimental, empirical, probability and moving towards theoretical probability. In this chapter, students will learn to calculate the probability of simple events using the classical, theoretical approach. Probability is widely used in various fields such as weather forecasting, insurance, medicine, and sports. Understanding probability helps in making informed decisions in situations involving uncertainty. Here's an interesting fact. You have a better chance of getting a 6 on a fair die than your birthday matching with someone in a group of 23 people. Key takeaways: probability quantifies the chance of occurrence of an event. It originated from the study of games of chance. Probability is used in various real-life situations. The chapter builds on experimental probability learned in Class 9. Focus is on classical, theoretical probability in Class 10. Probability helps in making decisions under uncertainty. In the next part, we continue with probability on Concept Scroll.